everyone, I'm Mia. I'll be showing my first attempt at making Ayurvedic hair mask. All the benefits will be on the screen. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. While making the mask, I used olive oil and grapeseed oil, but you can use some of your favorite conditioners and oils that work best for your hair. Since my hair is low porosity, my hair favors lighter oils like grapeseed, avocado, almond, and jojoba. As far as the powders, I used about 1 tablespoon each. I've read that some of the powders may have hard particles in them, so the strainer worked really well when catching some of the solid particles that may get stuck in my hair. As you can see, there was some leftover particles from the powders. In the beginning, I tried to take measurements, but I ended up eyeballing everything to get the consistency that I wanted, so I kept going back and forth between my oil and conditioner. This first attempt was trial and error for me. It helped me learn what worked and what did not work. I was able to use some of the information that I learned to perfect this mask for a future use. However, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Sparks will always fly. Sparks will always fly. And we fly. And we fly. And we fly too.